All right, I'm going to show you how to make your own transfer paper using some just plain paper or some tracing paper and a graphite pencil. This is a 6B graphite pencil, and we're going to use it underneath some of our work to try to transfer it. So to do this, you need to put graphite on your paper. Make a large enough area that you can put it under what you're going to be transferring. Okay, and what I'm going to do is flip it over, and I want to put it under where I'm going to transfer. And maybe I'll do a little bit more. Okay, try to stick it under there. Okay, and I'm going to use a green pen because I've already gone over this image with red before. Push kind of hard on this. And you might want to peek just to see what's going on. You can see that it didn't transfer the top ear part. Perhaps I need to move this around a little bit. I did it the wrong way. Got to make sure that your graphite is facing down. Okay, so there you go. You can see that it lightly transferred. And this is a great method for doing this because it should be pretty easy to erase it if you have to erase it, you know, because it's just graphite pencil. So it actually erases probably easier than the transfer paper that you can buy at the store. And you can do this method if you want, if you don't have just regular white paper like that. This is just thin printer paper. You can try doing it also with some tracing paper and do an area, and then can flip it over. I'm going to cut it out because it's a little bigger than what I need. Okay, so it's just going to help me just so I can get it underneath this guy's head without worrying about it being too big or too little. One thing cool about the tracing paper is you can kind of see that you can see through it easier, so I can tell if I put the graphite on there. Once again, make sure that your graphite is facing down. Just the graphite down. You can see there's my vulture head. So very nice, easy method to transfer. Thank you.